So here is my 87 chains, as you can see. So right now I'm going to include 3 chains extra. 1, 2, 3. So having included these 3 chains, I yarn over my hook. So I'm going to insert, plus these 3 chains I've just added, I will be inserting in the 5th loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I insert in the 5th loop right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I insert in the 5th loop, triple crochet. So I proceed. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So here, which is a part of the back sleeve, I'm going to make 14 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till I get to the 14th. Now as you can see right here, I've got to the 14th and triple crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in this same loop, triple crochet. Now it means I've completed this. It means I've completed this part. Now I'm going to one of these sleeve right now, and I have 18 chains. So these 18 chains, I'm going to add extra 1. So I will be having the total of 19 triple crochet. Because of this one is the extra one. So the next I'll be inserting in the next 18 loops. So I proceed into the next loop, triple crochet. Next, 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 till I get to the 18th. Now as you can see, I've completed the sleeve. Now here, if you count it, I have total of 19, and that was why I added extra 3 chains, if you remember, where I added 3 chains here. So that's the essence. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this. So as you can see, I've completed the round. This is a part of the back. Why this one is one of the sleeve. This one here is the front neckline. This one is the other sleeve. Why this one is the last one of the sleeve, of the back sleeve. So it's going to be like this. Can you see? So right now I'm going to continue from here. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I insert into the second loop right here with triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So having chained 2, I yarn over my hook and I count 1, 2, 3. I insert in the third loop with triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert still in this loop, triple crochet. So I chain 2 again, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3. I insert in the third loop, 1, 2, 3. Third loop with single crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3 with single crochet. And you see, so right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert into this big loop with triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert still in this big loop, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in this first loop right here. Immediately after this loop, single crochet. So here is the corner. Can you see? So I'm going to proceed again. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3. So with triple crochet, can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert into this same loop with triple crochet. And you see, I proceed, I chain 2, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3 with single crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I count 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert into this same loop with triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3, single crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So triple crochet, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert into the same loop. Can you see? Triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 with single crochet. Now I've got to the corner. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert with triple crochet, I chain 2, 1, 2. Now I insert into the same loop right here. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in the first loop right here with single crochet. So this one here is the vertex, the point at which the square would form a square shape, where it will form the square shape. Can you see? So because of this, that's how we have this shape. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. And you see, so as you can see, I'm going to chain 2 right now. 1, 2. Haven't chained 2. I yarn over. 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the third loop also with triple crochet. Then the last loop right here, I'm going to insert triple crochet. And you see, so I have it like so. So here at the back here is going to overlap for the button seat. So this is how it's going to be. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed from here. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chain 3, I yarn over, I insert into the second loop right here with a triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So having chain 2, I yarn over, I'm going to insert into this loop with triple crochet. So in this loop I will be making 2 triple crochets, as you can see, and you see 2. So I proceed, I chain another 2, 1, 2. I yarn over. Now I'm going to insert here with triple crochet. And you see, so I proceed, I chain 2 again, 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert here in this loop, triple crochet. Can you see? Then 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I've got to the vertex point, the point. So right now I'm going to insert here in this loop, triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert in this same loop, triple crochet. And you see, so I chain 2, 1, 2. Having chained 2, I'm going to insert here, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert here in the loop, 2 triple crochet. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert here, triple crochet, 1, 2, triple crochet, 1, 2, triple crochet, 1, 2, triple crochet, so 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet, 1, 2. I insert in this vertex point, then I chain 2, 1, 2, still in this loop, and you see 1, 2. So I insert here, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I complete this round. You see, remember a part of the back, then the sleeve, then I continue like that. This is the front neckline. So as you can see, I've completed the round. And you see, this is the vertex point, and also the vertex point. Here is the vertex point. So right now, I'm going to proceed. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop right here, triple crochet, now let me quickly explain the logic here. You see, when we started here, I started with 12 plus additional 2 inches for the button allowance. Also here I started with 18 chains, 18 triple crochet, then the front neckline, that's 24, then the other sleeve 18, and also this one 14. That is 12 plus that 2-inch chains for the button seat. So right now I'm going to go to the next round, and in going towards the next round, what I have here, which is 14, or let me just say 14, 12 plus 2. Now I'm going to add extra 6. I'm going to add additional 6 plus this. Also, the same thing applicable to this. So it's going to be, all this place will be increased by 6, here increased by 6, here increased by 6, by 6, by 6. So that here, as I'm going right now, I will have the same number of what I have here. So it's going to be increased by 6. So now I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to chain 1. Haven't chained 1. I'm going to insert here, triple crochet, so I chain another 1. Now here, like I told you, I have 14 plus so I'm going to subtract that 2 inches, 2 chains, let me say 12. 12 plus 6, I will be having 18. So 18 divided by 2, I will be having 9. So right now, I'm going to move on. So by the time I get there, I will let you know what I mean. I chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain another 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain 1, I insert here, I chain 1, I proceed, I insert here, I chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain 1, I insert here in this vertex loop, so I chain 2, the vertex point, now if you look at this, remember is 6 plus 12, I have 18. 18 divided by 2, I will be having 9. So I'm going to count these in loops: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. So I'm done with this a part of the back loop, I mean back neckline. So right now I'm going to proceed to the sleeve. So I'm going to chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, sorry, so I chain 1 again, I insert, triple crochet, I chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain, I insert here, triple crochet, I proceed, I chain, I insert here, chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I insert here, I chain 1, chain 1, chain 1, so I still have extra here. So it's one that is going to use this discretion. I insert here, I chain 1, I insert here in this loop, chain 1, so I insert here, chain 1, I insert here, chain 1, I insert here, triple crochet, I chain 1, so I insert here, I chain 1, I insert here, chain 1, I insert here, chain 1, I insert here, I chain 1, I insert here in this vertex loop, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 loops. Now I chain 2 1 2, so I insert in this loop, so if you look at it right now, like this sleeve here we have 18. Okay, now 18 plus 6, that will give me 24. So 24, and 24 divided by 2, I will be having 12. So my loops here ought to be uh, 12, but I'm going to subtract 1 from it, giving me 11. So 11 plus this last loop, the farthest loop, will give me 12 loops. So right now we are going to count. So I won't count this one now. I'm going to start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now plus this vertex loop, making it 12. So that this is how I'm going to go. So once you have to use this calculation to make the loops, else you will not get the perfect numbers of crochet you ought to get. So that is how we are going to go till I get to the till I complete this round. If you have any question, let me know. So we are proceeding now. As you can see, I've completed the round. Let's see. So right now I'm going to proceed from here. I chain 3 1 2 3, so I insert into the second loop right here. So right now I proceed, I insert into this, then I insert into this point, I proceed, triple crochet, then here, like so, then here, triple crochet, then here, I proceed, triple crochet, proceed, triple crochet, and you see, so like this. Then here, triple crochet, then into this vertex point, triple crochet. Now I've chained two, one, two. I haven't chained two, so I insert still in this loop. So right now, this one marks another beginning or another start of another set, and this same row completes this first set. Can you see? So I proceed, with triple crochet. So I proceed, triple crochet, and you see, triple crochet, I proceed like this, triple crochet till I get to the vertex and loop, triple crochet, insert, I proceed like this, sorry, triple crochet, and you see, triple crochet, so I proceed like this till I get to the vertex point. So I insert in that vertex point first, then I chain through two, one, two, still in this loop with triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this. Can you see? Now, as you can see, I've completed this top up to the point where I'm going to close the sleeve. Now, lest I forget, here I have 12 inches, the initial one that I used to start it. I mean, let me show you very well so that you can understand. Now this is the back piece. I started with 12. Now coming to this place again, the second round, I also did this 12. Now to the third one I have 18, that is an addition of 6 to this, so I have 18. Also here 18, then here 24, so it's 2 interval. So right now, like I said, I'm going to close the sleeve because I've got to the point. I'm okay with this and the bust circumference. So right now I'm going to close the bust. So right now, in closing the sleeve, before I close the sleeve, what I'm going to do is to close up this back piece first. And then, like I said this back piece is 24. So 24 divided by 2, I'll be having 12, 12. So I'm going to work 12 loops here, and each of the loops is going to contain 2 triple crochets to give me my 24. So right now we are going to start. I'm going to chain 3 first. 1, 2, 3. So I insert into this second loop here. Remember, these 2 triple crochet is excluded from the 24. It's excluded because this is just a button seat. So right now I chain 1, I insert into this loop, I chain 1, I move in, triple crochet, so I'm going to make it like so to give me my 12 loops. You see, now as you can see, so I'm going to count the loops: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember I said it's 12. So right now, the vertex point here, I'm going to invite the other point of the sleeve. This is the first point and this is the second vertex loop. So I'm going to attach it each other like so. Can you see? So I yarn over my hook and I insert like this with triple crochet. So my 12th loop has been formed. Can you see? So right now I yarn over, I'm going to chain 1. So I'm going to insert here with triple crochet. So on this one is the front neckline. So on the front neckline, I have here, I have 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 42 plus 6, 48. So right now I'm going to divide 48 by 2, and that gives me 24. So it means I'm going to work out 24 loops like I did here. 24 loops. Already I've got 1 loop already, so I proceed. I chain 1, triple crochet. I proceed. I chain 1, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I complete this round. So as you can see, I've completed the round by closing the sleeve. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So proceed with triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to close this round up. Then I start another new set of it. And you see, all round. So it's as simple as that till I complete everything about this tutorial. So far so good. Have come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? Can you see? Can you see how beautiful this pattern is? I hope you will like this. This is the back, and this is the front. Can you see how beautiful it is? If you like this video, kindly click on the liking button to appreciate this work. Thank you very much. I want to appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. And if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel where you can learn a lot. All you need to do is to click on that subscribe button below, and you also click on the notification bell so that you can have access to my video each time I release a new one. So thank you very much. Till I come your way again, bye for now.